What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the GST, the green Satoshi token on Coinbase. For the first step, you will need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. Once you have done that, log into your account and you will arrive at this homepage. As you can see, we have a search bar right on top and we will click on that. And there we will type in GST. And there it is, the green Satoshi token. We will select it and now you will be brought to the token page. As you can see, we have a price chart over here and we have different time frames. You can select the one you prefer, and once you have done that, the price chart will change the time frame. Down below we have some information about this coin, and you also have some stats about this coin, like the market cap, the volume and the circulating supply and the all-time high. And now we go back up and on the right side we have a trading option. You can buy, sell and convert coins at this side of the website. But you can also select the order type you would like to use. We would like to use the buy option, and beside of that you can select the order type over here. As you can see, we have a one-time order and a recurring buy order. A recurring buy is basically that you set up automatic purchases on a daily, weekly or monthly base. But for now we would like to just purchase a one-time order and we will select that for now. You can fill in here the amount of euros or dollars you would like to use on this purchase. For example, we use 1000 euros and now you can see the amount of coins we are receiving in return of it. Below that you can select the payment method you would like to use, and as you can see there are different payment methods available. If the preferred payment method is not showing up in this list, you can add a new payment method by clicking on this button down below. Once you have done that, select the payment method and you will go back to this overview. Before you click on review order, always check the information you have filled in. Is the amount of euros or dollars correct? Is the payment method you want to use selected? And do you have selected the right coin over here? Once you have done that and checked it, you can click on review order. And now I will give you guys a very useful tip to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase. As you can see, we have a transaction fee which we are paying. For this order it is 38 euros. But if you use the Coinbase One subscription, you basically save yourself a lot of money because you won't pay any transaction fees up to 10k of trades a month. You can try it out for free for 7 days, and after those 7 days it is just 25 euros a month. But by one trade like this you're already making profit on that. After you decided to buy this coin, you can click on the buy now option and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!